Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Zaapost. Good morning, mommy. Good morning, our able team. Actually, this is a video on how to post so that your post will be able to display like this once on the front page, right? This actually is capturing my eyes, and I believe it will capture any visitor's eyes to our website. So in order for you to be able to make a post and your post will appear like this is not a forum post. All right, this your right hand side here is forum. This is forum post. I believe we all know what forum, our forum now, all the posts that we're making on forum, this is where it appears. And if you scroll down here, this is also it. Here you can see this post, things regarding sports. You can see this side, all the whole forum, and this is for politics. This is just the little category that I just picked due to these are most of what we need. So in order for you to make a post and it will appear here, when you log in, you come to Zaapost news and click on dashboard. When you click on dashboard, you come to posts. You can see posts right here. When you hover your mouse on it, it will display all posts, add new. So I will just quickly click on add post. So you scroll down, you will be able to see all posts from anybody, both admin or both every other person. That's when you do normal post, not a forum post like I said earlier. So if you want to edit any of the posts you've made on this particular module, you should be able to hover your mouse on it. On the post, you can see the post here. I was popular, I didn't. This is nice, I just posted it. This I spent the video, I just posted it. So you quickly click on edit. When you click on edit, you'll be able to edit anything that you want and update. Now I want to add a new post, just the purpose of this video. So I click on add new post, or you click on add new here. So you click add new. So when I click on add new, it brings me here. This is where I'll be able to put my content. So I'll just go and search for a content for me to upload. So I'll just come here and pick this one. I drank strong alcohol, went to graveyard, this that, by Toby Bakare, right? I'll just copy the title first, then come back here and put on my title. Then I'll just save his image, right? So I'll save, then I'll copy what I need, the content that I need, right? So I copied it, I paste, right? I paste. So I'm just gonna quickly put my source. So don't forget that it's very, very important, as mommy have instructed us. And also don't forget to include the link of the news and where it's coming from. So I just include the link of the news. Then I come back and take a look at all my content and see if everything is well arranged and well organized. So everything is fine right here. So I'll just come here and click on post. Now this is our SEO statistics on this particular post here. 53 of 100, 64 of 100, which is doing well. So I should be able to come here and he's the celebrity. I'll just click select this category. You understand? You need to select your category, where your news belong to. Is it breaking? Is it celebrity? Is it comedy? Is it education? Is it global news? Is it which one, right? So I'll scroll down here. This is featured image. This is where I'll add that image that I just downloaded. This is my image library, so it's not yet there. I'll just go to where I downloaded it, which is on my download. This is him here. It's in the back area. So I picked it and upload. Right? I just uploaded right now. So when it's done uploading, you can see uploading. So when it's done uploading, you can set your image here. Sorry, my network might be slow sometimes. Pardon me for that. So, but if you have your image already on your library, you can just select any of the image and click set featured image. But right here we don't have it yet, so we need to let it download. I think my network is actually, I don't know. Well, sorry about that though. So when it's done uploading, it said the server cannot process the image. This can happen if the server is busy. I think that's my network that is causing it. So let me quickly upload it again and see if it will upload. I think network is actually fluctuating seriously. So but when it's done uploading though, this set feature image here will be highlighted just like this. It will be highlighted like this. I don't know why it's taking time like this. I'm just gonna redo it again. Let's see what the problem is. Okay, it's already here, you can see it. So I'm just gonna set the feature image. I think it's because of network. So I set it, it will appear here. You can see it right here. So everything is fine like this. I've selected my category is on celebrity, and I'll just go ahead and do what publish. You can see here, and when you scroll down, when you click on publish, scroll down here, you should be able to see how Google will see it, because we've already optimized it. You can see here the visibility is nice, the searching is okay, the social is good. So I'll just go ahead and publish. So it has been published. If you want to view it, you can click on view post, but I'll just come here and refresh for you to be able to see it appear on top of the page, right? You can see right here, it's on top of the page. Very simple, right? I believe you understand it. But if you have any questions, if you're confused on anywhere, please quickly drop your comments so I can help you out if you're having any challenges. Let me quickly add one more post in order to make it clear for us. I'm just gonna go to sports. Let me quickly find that and see what Zaapost scored very well during Real Madrid match. So I'll pick this guy. So this is what I want to post, but right now I'm not just gonna copy everything once. So I can decide to copy once, but I'm not gonna do that. Right? You can choose to copy once, depends how fast it is for you. So for me to add a new one right here now, I'll just click here. You can see here new view post. So from here I'm going back to all the posts. So I click on add new post. Sorry, I'm being fast due to the size of the stuff. So I'm just gonna add my title, right? Then save my image of Zaapost here, which I will be using on the content. And mommy, sorry. So I'm just gonna copy the somebody called me. Sorry. Okay, so I'll just copy the contents and come back here and post, right? So quickly I'll put my source where I got my news from, Daily Post, and also embed the URL of that particular post at the bottom in order to help ourselves, right? So that's don't forget to always include that URL, because that's an instruction from Madam. It's very, very important, right? So you can see the SEO is fine. I'll just come here and scroll down. I think it's sports, right? Where is it? Sports, right? It's about sports, so that's the category. So I'll scroll down here. I'll set my image. So I'll just go to upload file, select the image I just downloaded, this image of Zaapost here. So I pick it and upload. So it's uploaded. I will just set featured image. It will appear here, right? And I'll just go ahead and do publish, right? It's published. You can see it's published. So if I refresh the front page here, it should appear up here, right? You can see it right there. You can see how beautiful it is, though. The site is actually beautiful, though. I won't lie to you. When you view it on laptop or computer, it looks amazing. Looks amazing and professional, right? So that's just it on how to upload. If you want to upload a video, you can also upload a video actually, because it allows us to upload a video too. So I'm just gonna do that quickly and see how it goes. Okay, I've not uploaded video, but I want to try it right now. So I click on add new post, right? Let's say I want to use okay, let me just quickly do one thing. Okay, I'm just using this to show you that a video can be uploaded if you have a video of a content that you want to upload. So if you come to think featured image, upload, you go come here. Okay, let me just search for a small video that I have. How many minutes does this play? 50 MB. How many minutes do you play? 25 MB. How about you? This 34. How about you? Whoa. I'm looking for something short. Alright, this 90 MB. So I'm looking for a video that is just short, it's not long. I don't need a long video, you know. This 144. This 46. These things are big. Okay, this guy here, 2 MB. You can see. So this is a video, MP4. So I'm just gonna upload it. It might take a little time to network. So if you have many original video that maybe you covered or somebody sent to you regarding any news, you can actually use it as an instead of uploading image, you can upload video and use it as your image, as your featured image. So when it appears on our website, you should be able to watch the video. Yeah. So that is just it. So if you have any question, please don't forget to relate to me. I'm always here to respond to any of your issues, any of your troubles that you're having. Once again, I want to use this opportunity to say happy birthday to you, Candy. May God bless your new age. May God grant you all your heart desire that is not evil. You know, may you live long in good health. Okay, guys, that's just it. That's just it. I don't want the video to be long so that you know it will be easy for us to share. You know, when is the size of the video is long, because what I'm doing now is screen capturing. So you can see the video right here now, right? So I can set it, right? I'm just doing it in order to show you guys example. Okay, I will say here latest LP dance for Labour Party. Okay, I'll just put a short content here. This guy is very good at dancing LP. So as you can see, it's just a brief stuff, you know. Watch it and let's have your comments on the comments section. So I'm just done. You can see the title is okay. What I just typed, you can see 5968. It's actually good. I'm good actually. So sorry guys. So I'm just gonna scroll down. What is it all about? Is let's say politics, local news. Which one? Maybe we should just say politics, right? So you can see the video is here already. You can see that's why you can actually, don't worry, if I publish it, you'll be able to see it. But the video is there because I've uploaded it. Had it been I've not uploaded it, you'll be able to see add feature image here. So I'm just gonna publish it, right? You can see everything is good right here. You can see everything is good. Excellent. So you can see how it's gonna see it on Google. So I'm just gonna publish right now. So it's published. So let's try and see. You know, and like I said before, I've not published a video on it before, but I believe it should be able to appear. I think so. So let me just right click here and save view posts. Right. Okay, it's not actually coming out right here, but I wanted to see if it can. I wanted to see if a video can be posted. Okay, the video did not appear, right? So let's see what happened. Let's check and see what happened. Okay, it's showing add featured image. Let's see if we cannot add, or if we can. If we cannot, then if you want to add any video, probably send it to me. I should be able to know how I'll be able to add it. Sorry, my network is actually killing me actually. Okay, I think probably that video might still be uploading on it. Okay, it was not uploaded here. Okay, it's not here. The video is not here. Okay, let me select it again. Let me quickly look for it again and try uploading it again and see if it will work. Okay, here. If it will work. So if it didn't work, so I'll just go ahead and just delete it if the video did not work. But I think we should be able to put video on this. Sorry, might be able to cut the video short later. But right here, I just wanted to test and see if the video will work. Okay, but it's here. You said, now it's here. So why is it not playing? And that's it. I don't know why it's not playing. Maybe it's still uploaded. It's supposed to play. I wonder what the problem is though, but it's supposed to play. Okay, I don't know if it's still uploading or something, but it's something that... Oh, sorry guys, sorry, I don't mean to do that. Okay, this guy here is supposed to play. I wonder what is the problem actually. So let me just say, okay, maybe it's not possible, but I'll check to see if we can actually do that. Alright, so that's that. Thank you all.